Hey guys, we got this ODIKA Zen garden area rug. It's a ultra soft area rug, 4x6 non-slip stain resistant living room rug. You can wash this rug in the machine and then let's open the box and show you the quality. So the first impression comes in a nice box and packing. Let's open up this rug and see how it feels. So yeah, so my first touch to this is very soft material here. And the designs also look nice as you can see. So let's just open this up and spread it to show you the whole mat. So this is a Zen design, as you can see, looks really nice and classy. Very soft material with the feeling. So this is the whole mat. As you can see with the Zen design, soft edges, and then good stitching and the material. I will show you more close up here. So these are like the stretching in the corner, and it's a little thick with the non-slip back. And then it will not skip or skid. And then this material in the fur is also very soft and a cozy material. And you can easily wash it in a machine, so it's washable as well. So pretty very much nice and nice designed rug for your living room.